BBAI stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy right now, Tuesday morning? Let's talk about it. Now, in this quick 1 minute video, I'm going to be breaking this kind of roadmap. And having done well over 45,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. And when I say this, I truly mean it because I've documented everything. Especially with BBAI, because it's in a beautiful demand zone. The only real right thing for me to do here, though, is going to be it coming lower and giving me a shift, a double break. I mean, especially now with BBAI, with about $108. I would really not be buying this whole market, unless I see a proper shift. Like, I know it went up and then came down a little bit into my demand zone, but like from a lower time frame perspective, technically I can look at this from this perspective because I have this demand, and then from here take things higher, right? If this does not pull down, sort of, it then gives me a shift, then there's just no way that I'm looking to take it further up, right? Very simple. And I'm looking with 108 receipts. There's really not lack of coverage in this. Yeah, higher time frame will definitely look for something like that, but I'll first kind of begin with the lower time frame one and move from there if the rules are met. Other than that, mate, this is all pure noise, so really wouldn't be forcing anything. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, just click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.